Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got BBB XL 004 swatches. And here is the plate. It's got the nice plastic backing with their logo on the back. XL 004. And look at these images. How cute! Summer favorites already, I can tell you. So just a real quick once over. It came in this little envelope that you can store them in to help protect them with some instructions on the back. And we're going to peel that wrapping right off of there. You know, you've got to get that blue film off before you can, you know, use the plate. And as usual, you know, I'm excited to hear that sound. I know that y'all can't hear it because I took it out, but anyway, that's what we do. And then I'm going to clean this plate off with some pure acetone. At least that's what the bottle says. And then I wipe it with a paper towel. And I'm going to be just, you know, working through these images and putting them on some little nail tips for you. Very nice. I like this image. It's cute. Plunk. Here we go. There we go. Kind of like that one a lot. Actually, I like a lot of these a lot. I can just see so many possibilities. Here we go. Another beautiful transfer. I will show you some footage of all of these images at the end. But I didn't have any trouble with any of them picking up or transferring. I didn't have to play with stampers or polishes or scrapers. Very nice. Sorry my camera's wigging out. I'm trying to make it behave. There we go. And I've got the same image on some other plates, but you know, this is a nice size. If you've got longer nails, this one's pretty good. That's another thing I like about these plates, is the image sizes are really nice and generous. So there we go. This image is really cool. I like it. Squares interlocking. They're pretty cool. So here we go. There we go. Very nice. And I do have, you know, a whole bunch of these swatching plate videos to share, and I don't really know how to do them. I've been trying to space them out, but you know, I'm not 100% sure if you want me to just throw them out there, and or if you want me to, you know, do them kind of willy-nilly in between nail art and what. Just kind of give me your thoughts on it down there in the comments. You know, I don't want to overwhelm anybody, but you know, if you're thinking about purchasing this collection, you might want to see all of them, and it might take a while. If I space them out too far, it might take a while for you to see all of them. So just kind of give me a heads up what works for you. I don't have all of them recorded yet, but I do have quite a few of them done, so just let me know. I like this one. And on to the next. We can get all of that one covered, but I think we've got enough to make a swatch. Yep, there we go. There we go. Camera acting silly again. I am having some issues with the camera, the lighting. I've had some of my videos here lately that were fine until I uploaded them to YouTube, and then the music got all wonky and loud, so I apologize for that. And so I don't really know what's going on with that, but I will try to make an effort to, you know, watch the volume of the music. There we go. We're almost done. I like these images though. way more fun than I thought they would be. And I'm loving doing these swatching videos, so let me know what you think about them. And here we go, final one. I like that. It looks kind of like a star pattern. It's got a lot of lines going on in it. A lot of detail to that one. Come on, camera. Come on. There we go. And here are all of the swatches. I have got them laid on top of, their respective images. We'll roll through them real quick for you so you can kind of see, maybe up close a little better. I don't know how this works, if it's better, worse. And my camera, it is what it is. So there we go. But I hope you enjoyed these swatches. I will leave links for Beauty Big Bang down below, as usual. And I would like to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.